These emails, they're both emails from Matlala's phone that was downloaded, right? And these messages are dated 1 January 2025. This is a day after the Minister's Directive of 31 December 2024. And these messages seem to indicate that Matlala has some inside information. He says, one, the task team is going to be dissolved. And that's what the Minister says in his directive. You are hereby instructed, or directed rather, to disestablish the task team. Two, he said they got the letter on Monday, which is the 31st of December. And then he says, three, as we speak, now he's speaking to Matlala, Mokgotsi and Matlala, they're bringing all the dockets to Sibiya. So I put it to you that it appears to be the case that what the investigator of this case is doing is to what they refer to as join the dots, that there's all these coincidences that's happening. The disestablishment of the task team, Mokgotsi, Matlala downloading this from their phone, they seem to know about it, and of course they are involved allegedly in criminal activity and so on.
You see, there are a number of things that we need to look at in relation to this thing of the disbandment. To start with, from the 24th of December until the 30th, it was during the festive period. We were operating, I was operating in the Western Cape. My last roadblock was at Harrismith on the 30th. And at that time, I think the minister was at home already, around that, leading to my meeting with the National Commissioner on the 14th. Remember, the National Commissioner's office, the National Commissioner's office is the one that gives instructions, that says, the DNC crime detection is directed to communicate the deactivation of the task team to the relevant team and to compile a close-up report by the 20th. No, they say by the 14th. Now, in the same meeting, and I want us to refer to that document, Council, so that honorable members can see how it happens. Now, from the National Commissioner's office, in the same meeting on the 3rd, my office on the 7th forwarded the same message to General Khumalo. I just want us to refer to that meeting